Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the panel's native resolution and plugging in the laptop so power-saving modes don't interfere. Once done, close resource-heavy apps to avoid scaling glitches, then open Start, go to Settings, choose System, and select Display. You do this because Windows shows recommended resolutions based on detected panel parameters. Changing from here ensures the system applies a compatible mode. Make sure to note the current resolution so you can revert if needed. You now pick 1920x1080 from the resolution dropdown. Windows will preview the change briefly. If text or UI looks too small, adjust scale to 100% or 125% depending on your display size. Scaling preserves readability while keeping the correct pixel layout. If 1920x1080 isn't listed, make sure you update GPU drivers and check the manufacturer control panel. Intel, NVIDIA. After selecting 1920x1080, hit Apply and wait for the preview. You must click Keep Changes to confirm or it will revert. Once confirmed, test apps and full-screen video to ensure correct aspect ratio and no stretching. If problems persist, open your GPU control panel to create or force a custom resolution, update display drivers, and verify your display cable supports the bandwidth. One quick troubleshooting tip: reinstall or roll back the display adapter driver if the new resolution causes black screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.